So it has been, I believe, over a week since I've posted the last video. It's been working. I do have a couple days off here, so I'm gonna try to get some work done on my S14 RB. Right now I'm actually heading to Lowe's to see if I can find some bolts for my intercooler. What is going on, guys? So it has been a couple days since the last update where I said I was gonna go to Lowe's, and actually I just didn't record anything really, which I really didn't do anything. I literally, all I did was bolt it up from the bottom side, so I'm gonna show y'all that right now. Made these brackets. I made these like a couple days back. I think it looks pretty good. They are a little dull looking, but I'm gonna polish all this on the top side and these brackets to make them look nice, and then cut this piece off because there's not enough for it to tie up to. And on the bottom, let's see if I can get it. There is some brackets off the intercooler down here. Right there, you can see it right there. And so what I did, I got a sheet metal screw in, a pretty long one. I got a piece of plastic spacer, keep vibrations down or anything like that, which I doubt it'll vibrate, but I felt like it would be better. As you can see there, you can see the plastic spacer and a sheet metal screw, and it actually held it really tight. Actually, I was able to tighten it down with a ratcheting wrench, and it actually tightened down like tight, so I'm happy with that. I did get this hole cut out, which I had recorded a video, and then I don't know, I deleted it I think on accident, so I messed up. But I got that piping in there, got the hole cut out, got a rubber ring to protect the edges from it. As y'all can see there, it looks like it might touch a little bit, but this ain't tied up either, so I think it'll be alright. So I got that side completely done. This side I can't get done because I have none of the turbo piping and stuff fitted up here, so I need to get that on there. And then this, basically none of this side is put together, and I don't want to cut a hole here and not have exactly where it's gonna go. So I have to get all that together. But what I have been doing is probably hard for y'all to see. Let me get my light real quick. So this is what I have been doing. This little lip right here is a very small lip from where I welded up the new tub, but as y'all can see, it's got surface rust on it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna shave this off as best I can, and then I could hammer it down, but I really don't want to because this is where the wheel throws all its water at, and if I fold it, it's gonna get water and dirt, and it's just gonna cause it to rust. So what I did, I just cut it down as best I could to as close as I can to this edge here, and I'm gonna get a wire brush it all down, and then I'm gonna primer it, and I'm gonna lay some undercoating on it, and that should be good enough for me. As y'all can see, the undercoating on the car itself looks like crap already. As you can tell, there's not much left on there. A lot of spots is where it had like little covers and stuff and buttons. Right here it had like a bracket, so there's none there, and back there there's none. So I'm gonna try to get undercoated really good. I did mess up by putting this suspension back together versus this side. On this side I haven't put it back together, so I feel like it's gonna be a little easier to get in there and get everything covered a little bit better than that side, but I'm still gonna try to get it without having to take it back apart. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Alright guys, so I got it sanded down, and I got it in rust reformer. If y'all have never used this stuff, it's actually pretty good. So I grinded it down all the way to the metal, got as much rust as I could get off, where I wouldn't see anymore, and then I sprayed that on there just in case. It's the next day, and yesterday I finished doing the undercoating on this fender on the driver's side, so now